Welcome to the ride of your life, literally. Today, we're scooting you through assembling and using the Acer ES Series 5 Select and the Acer ES Series 4 Select. Now, before you ask, the setup for both is identical, so we'll demo with the Acer ES Series 5 Select, but keep your eyes peeled for on-screen text, highlighting the main specs differences between both though. Time to unbox like a pro. Inside the box, you'll find scooter's body, a charger, a warranty booklet because we've got your back, the user manual, a tire pump extension, and a hex wrench with 6 screws. Give that manual a read. It's full of life-changing scooter wisdom. How do I build that, you'll ask? Listen to my voice. Lift the front tube and handlebar. Now align the pieces. It's easier than assembling furniture. Wait for that satisfying click. It's music to your ears and a promise that your ride is rock solid. Pop in the screws. Tighten them up with the wrench. If they don't enter smoothly, align the holes and try again. Let's put that last piece of puzzle in. Inflate your tires, and there you go. Unstoppable. It's a good moment to remind you to charge the battery every 3 months, even if you don't use it. But you will, won't you? Grab the charger, plug one end into the wall outlet and the other into your scooter, and enjoy the light show. Charge your scooter until the light turns green. Ready to scoot like you mean it? Press and hold the power button for 3 seconds. Select your gear by double-tapping the power button twice. No more riding in the dark. Just flick the switch to turn on the lights and let everyone know you've arrived. Signal your next move with the turning light switch. Because yes, traffic rules also apply to you, sweetheart. Your dashboard is the ultimate command center, showing your gear, speed, and battery level. Oh, don't forget to download the Acer e-mobility app. Connect it to your scooter for pro-level insights. Let's roll. Step on the scooter, give it a gentle push and press the accelerator. To stop, release the accelerator and gently press the brake. No screeching, no drama, just a smooth, dignified slowdown. When you reach your destination, press and hold the power button for 3 seconds and your scooter will take a well-deserved break. Wondering how you will store it? Folding's a breeze. Unlock the folding lever. Collapse the scooter. And voila. When it's time to ride again, reverse the steps. Smooth, steady, and oh so comfortable. Thanks to durable tires and solid suspension, every ride feels like cruising on clouds. Before we let you go, remember, safety first, always. Rock that helmet, ride smart, and unlock the urban freedom, no matter the weather. Oh, and before you go, we've got a full range.